Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this Mini Countryman on a 68 plate. The car itself is finished in this lovely white paintwork, and this car has come packed with options from factory, near enough £3,000 worth, which is the Navigation Plus and the Chili Pack, which we'll go into those later. But taking a closer look round them, you've got all the lovely chrome detail on the front centre grille. You've got front fog lights on this one, but condition wise, looking at the front bumper and on the bonnet, it's free from any major stone chips and marks. One of the features on this vehicle is the upgraded headlights on this one, so it has got the LED lights with the LED daytime running lights, so it really does give it a bit of an appearance from the front end. But coming a look down the driver's side, looking down all the panels, you can see it's free from any major dents or scratches. All the plastics, they're all in good order, and the car itself is riding on these lovely 17-inch silver 5-spoke alloy wheels, and they're all in good condition throughout. But then coming down the side, you get the contrast black roof and black mirror caps. You've got the silver roof rails on this one, and again the chrome detailing runs around the window surrounds and onto the door handles. And a lovely nice feature on this one is the button there for the keyless entry. Going through to the rear, you've got rear parking sensors on this one, which does display on the radio screen. You've got your Countryman badging and your Cooper badging, but like I said, condition wise, again, the top of the bumper is all in good order as well throughout. But taking a closer look then inside, into the boot, with it being a Countryman, you do get a massive boot space, so for all your luggage and things like that, and under the boot floor mat, that can come out, so it gives you some more depth and extended storage under there. 60/40 split folding rear seats, parcel shelf, and then again your side netting is present here, and then you've got a little 12-volt power outlet as well. But again, coming down the passenger side, again, that's free from any major scratches or marks, and then looking at the alloys again, they're all in good order as well throughout. But jumping inside now, I'll quickly show you through to the rear first. So in the back, you've got comfortable seating for free, and you're greeted with this half leather cloth interior, which, looking at the condition of the rear seats, it does look like anyone has been sat in. Taking a closer look at the backs of the seats, they're all in good order as well. You've got 2 USB-C charging points as well into the rear, so your children can charge your phones in the back. And then jumping inside then, specification wise, you've got 4 electric windows with Petrol mirrors. You've got auto rear lights on this one with front and rear fog lights. And then taking a closer look at the steering wheel, you've got your cruising limit control stalk here, and then your multimedia controls here. And then to go to the close look, you've got auto wipers, and as well your indicator stalk here, which controls our electric computer on the clocks. But then flicking through some of the details on the vehicle, so it is coming up saying service required engine oil, that it will be serviced, this vehicle, prior to sale. But condition wise, with the multimedia screen, you've got the bigger screen in this one, so it has got the Navigation Plus pack, which was described earlier. It gives you the bigger screen, and then it is all touchscreen responsive. But flicking through, then you've got your Mini Connected, which is part to do with your apps on your phone when connected, so manage mobile devices, which if we do click on someone's iPhone here, Apple CarPlay is on this vehicle as well. And then quickly running through, you've got your navigation, which again is very simple to use and very clear, with it being the BMW Mini software. Your multimedia is full DAB and FM radio, so you get all the extended channels. And communication, again, when your phone's connected, it does pair up with your phone there, and then your notification settings. So running through and into your climate control, you've got full dual zone digital climate control on this one. You've got heated seats for driver and passenger, and then again you've got your sport and green driving mode here. So your sport one is more like your maximum performance, and your green is your eco mode. And then the car itself is running on this lovely 6-speed manual gearbox, and the vehicle is also supplied with 2 keys. And then again, this controls all the radio screen as well if needed, or you can do it, as I said before, via touchscreen. Front centre armrest again, which is an option on one of these with the phone connectivity in there. But like I said, condition wise of all the passenger seats, they're all in lovely order as well. It doesn't look like it's been smoked in, there's no signs of smoke or not smell of smoke, and no sig burns again. Looking at the condition of the driver's seat, that is all in good order as well. But if you have any further questions on this vehicle, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01942 231123, or email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. And thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.